Hi guys, so you tonight are working on dividing whole numbers, and so I am going to show you how it's done. So let's say we're starting with 6,942 divided by 3. So the first thing you want to do is pretend like the 9, the 4, and the 2 are not there. The only thing that you need to focus on right now is the 3 and the 6. So we know 3 times 2 is 6, so 3 can go into 6 twice. 2 times 3 is 6, and then we subtract. So 6 minus 6 is 0. Next step, bring down the next number. How many times can 3 go into 9? Well, we know 3 times 3 is 9. So I'm going to put a 3 up top. Then you multiply 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. We subtract and get 0. As soon as you subtract, your next step is always to bring down that next digit. So now we're asking how many times can 3 go into 4? And the answer would be 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Subtract. 4 minus 3 is 1. After you subtract, the next step is always to bring down the next digit. Now we have 12. 3 can go into 12 4 times. 3 times 4 is 12. We subtract and get 0. Yay! All right. So then we go back up to the top of the page, and our final answer is 2,314. Just like that. All right, so we're going to try one more. What if we are starting with 5,920 divided by 6? Now remember, like we talked about in class this morning, if the divisor, the number on the outside, is bigger than the number on the inside, the dividend, it cannot go in. So if I have 5 apples sitting on the table, and I tell you to go get a group of 6 apples from that table, that would be impossible. You cannot get 6 apples from a group of 5 apples. So 6 cannot go into 5. So I'm going to put a 0 to hold that spot. Then the next question is, how many times can 6 go into 59? Well, I know 6 times 10 is 60, but I can't put a 10 up top. That would be too much. And I know 6 times 9 is 54. So then we subtract. 9 minus 4 is 5. Remember, the next step after you subtract is always to bring down that next digit. Let's see, 6 into 52. So then think about what you know. Well, we just did 6 times 9, and that was 54. So that would be too much to try this time. But we know 6 times 8 is 48, so that would get us pretty close. Then we subtract. I can't take 8 away from 2. I'm going to borrow from the 5. Now I have 12 minus 8, which is 4. After you subtract, the next step is always to bring down that next digit. And 6 can go into 40 6 times. Oops, sorry, that should have been white. And 6 times 6 is 36. I'm going to move my page up. It's 36. Now this one does come out with a remainder. Yours should not have remainders this evening, but that was just to show you the process of the steps. All right, good luck. I know you can do it. We will check your answers tomorrow. We're going to practice again tomorrow, so if you are still struggling, take a deep breath, relax, and we'll go over it again. See you in the morning.